Hello and welcome everyone, Carman back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my Mercedes ML-W164 and I'm going to be installing these mud flaps. These mud flaps are Mercedes branded but they're aftermarket, and since these are aftermarket they are much more affordable, but the method to install them are with screws. With the kit you get some screws, nuts, washers, and also the mud flaps. And for tools you're going to be needing a drill and a drill bit. Here's the installation of the left rear side. There are two screws installed on the outside, and there's also one inside near the heat shield. And if I come around on the inner side, there's one screw sticking out, and for safety reasons, once it's installed, you want to just cut the pointy side out. I have the whole kit, but I'm only going to be installing the rear mud flaps today because the front mud flaps cannot be installed if you have running boards or you're going to be installing running boards. Before starting the installation, you want to make sure your surface is completely clean and dry. My car is really dirty right now, it really does need a wash, so I'm just going to clean the surface around where I'm going to be doing the installation. Now that the surface is clean, it's time to install. For this installation, you don't need a second hand because these mud flaps have two tabbings on them, and these two tabbings lock on to the bumper lining. So once it's in place and I have it all aligned up just like so, it's time to make the holes and install the screws. The last screw that needs to be installed is under this heat shield, so this movability is completely gone and the mud flap stays in place. To make this job easier, the heat shield can be folded back. Once I have it folded back, I'm going to drill a hole and install the final screw. I'm really loving the final results. These mud flaps are practical and they also look very nice on the ML. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this video has helped you out, please give it a like and share. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.